Welcome to the FlexStorm Project Planner. Today, we'll look at how to size a FlexStorm filter for your specific drainage structure. First, select temporary or permanent inlet protection based on your site needs with the option to include oil removal for permanent offerings. Your selection will not change the structure configuration. Configuring by casting number will give you the option to select from a list of common castings by Foundry. Use the filter function in the top right to easily find your casting. Once you select your structure, please note any unusual inlet characteristics and upload any pictures you may have. If you don't see the casting you need, use the structure dimensions to find your part number. You can configure a precast concrete structure, an open curb throat, a cast iron frame and grate, or nyloplast castings. Then input your grate and clear opening dimensions. Remember, FlexStorm filters need at least 1-inch ledges on either side to fully support a filter. The planner will warn you if your structure's ledges are too narrow to support a filter. Next, let's look at the differences between structure types. If you're building a curb box casting, configure as normal for a square casting, but note that curb back width and height have been called out in the visualization on the left. Please include those measurements within the additional comments section once you fill out the dimensional form. Let's select a FlexStorm inlet filter to protect a nyloplast basin. First, select your basin size, then grate style. The tool will automatically populate any necessary mounting hardware or transition plates that are needed for your grate style. These part numbers must be included on your order, but are always shipped at no cost to you or your customer. If you have any questions or need additional assistance, add any additional comments and use the Send to ADS feature or contact your local ADS representative.